Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Pi browser. Pi network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency project created to make digital currency accessible to everybody. And unlike traditional crypto mining that requires expensive hardware and high electricity consumption, Pi network allows users to mine Pi coins directly from their smartphone with just one tap per day. And to access Pi Wallet, KYC mainnet features and Pi powered apps, Pi network provides a dedicated app called Pi browser. And in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Pi browser safely and correctly. First, you need to open to the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone here. And on the search bar on the bottom, type down Pi browser and search for it. Over here in the search, look for the official app developed by the Pi network to avoid fake or scam apps over here. And over here, we can see the Pi browser. Simply tap on the install or get to wait for the app to download and install on your device. And once installed, you can tap open to launch the Pi browser. You can now sign in using a Pi network account. Always download Pi browser from the official app store to keep your account secure. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Pi browser easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.